Hello, this is Raina with LYLO Crafts coming on today with 3 more entries into my celebration challenge that is going on here on YouTube. And I am celebrating my 1-year anniversary and also my birthday, which was yesterday. And so I'm so excited. I have 3 more entries. So I will put a link to that video at the end of this video and then also in the description if you would like to jump on in. Okay, so let's start with this one from Australia. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And look at that sweet stamp on there. So I'm going to open it and we'll be right back. Okay, I've got it here and out of the package, and we'll open this up. Oh my goodness, look at this beautiful card. It says sparkle every day. Now, I really love the word sparkle. In fact, I have it up in wire form in my craft room here. And look at this layering she did on the crepe paper. She sewed this ribbon on top of it too, or the lace. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. And it says, Rena, congratulations on your 1-year YouTube anniversary. I love your channel and all your awesome creations, very inspirational. Also, happy birthday to you. I hope you have a great day celebrating. Love and hugs, Dee's from Turtle Dove in Australia. You guys, I love her and love her channel. She does beautiful, beautiful crafting. She's even started doing diamond painting now. She does beautiful sewing projects. Oh, she is so super talented and so kind. So I'll put a link to her channel in the description below. So please go and check her out. Okay, so this looks like her gorgeous ATC card. It's got sweet sequins inside of here. How fun is that? So fun. And look at this, Cameron. It's all stitched. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. I just love it. Okay, so Dee's from Turtle Dove is from South Australia, and her favorite colors are all, but she especially loves green. Oh, that's so good to know. I did not realize that. She loves iridescent, metallic, sparkle, bows, flowers, mystical, and so much more. And her style is anything goes, and she is born in July. Isn't that so sweet? Okay, I so love that. That is just such a gorgeous ATC. And it looks like she even put like some glossy accents on here so that these, a couple of these hearts are sparkly, and she's inked around the edges. Very cool. Very cool. Okay. Oh, it says bright, kind smiles, happy, shine. That is so sweet. Okay. Oh, and she included some of these beautiful trims that she's been making. I want to get to that cute giraffe in a moment, but I love all these. And I commented on her video how much I loved these. And these are just like perfect for layering, perfect for bag toppers. So beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing some of your creations with me. And she shared some adorable happy birthday, like celebration washi tape. And look, it's like on garment pins with beads. Such pretty, so much pretty. And look at this. I think this is a Maggie Holmes giraffe. It's so cute. I love giraffes, and I love elephants. So cute. Thank you so much, Dees. I love it all. I love it all. Thank you so much. Okay, let's jump into this next one. And look, it says magic, and it's got a gold shooting star on it. And this comes from Laura V. Crafty. And look, she's got some beautiful stickers in here that are all sentiments. I know how we can just use these all the time. I need those. So thank you so much. I love it. I love it. Wow, look at this beautiful box, and it says, feels like home. She's made it like a postcard. She's done gold stitching. She even has like a postage stamp canceled on there. Oh, that's so gorgeous. Layered up with that gold foil. That is so pretty, so pretty. And it slides out like a drawer. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh. Look at this ATC card on here. Look how gorgeous her ATC card is. This basket all layered up. It says, hooray, celebrate this day. I love this, this paper she's got in the background. I'm not sure if it comes like that or maybe she cut all those out or even use mixed media. I think she used mixed media on that. So gorgeous. And look at all these beautiful flowers on here. Oh, that is stunning. She makes the most beautiful things. Look at this, you guys. Look at these sweet shaker embellishments that she made, these hearts, and they've got loops to attach them with. And then she stitched this to enclose it. Oh, and these gorgeous wax seals. Look at that. Oh, those are so pretty. Now, I have wax seals, but I'm not quite sure how to make this color. Did you? You'll have to tell me, Laura, how you did that. And then look at all these little sweet sequins that are in here. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. And it's got a die cut in here that says beautiful. Oh my gosh, Laura, you are beautiful. And it says, congrats on your YouTube anniversary and a very happy early birthday. Hope you enjoy these couple of things I made for you. They are gorgeous, gorgeous. And I was right. It says the cover of this book is her ATC card. Thank you so much, Laura. This is just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And again, you guys, I'm going to put a link to her channel in the description below. Look how much inspiration is in these things. Oh, so beautiful. So please go and show her some crafty love. Okay, let's jump into the last one. And the last one comes from Crafter Deirdre. And it says magical vibes only. It's got a unicorn and flowers. It's so happy. And let's see what it says here. Rena. And you guys, she makes the most fun journals, and she shares like the adventures of their family on her channel, and she does crafting. She's just such a wonderful mom, really a wonderful mom, and she's inspired me to get back into my journal. So I'm hoping to show my journal later today. Rena, here's the ATC card with embellishments and stickers. I hope you like how they turned out. Your friend, Crafter Deirdre. Look at this. I love this ATC card. I love the inking, the butterfly, dream, create, inspire, repeat. That is so perfect. That is so perfect. And let's learn a little bit about her. Her birthday is in August, on August 11th. She likes girly things, butterflies, and journal stuff. And I will put a link to her channel in the description below. So I love that. And look at these sweet tags that she made me. These are all perfect for my journal. Oh, I just love that. She shared all these things that I can use in my journal. So she's got trims on here, and it looks like she sells trims, 75 cents for 2 yards. That's really a good deal. So you can hit her up about that if you are interested. And she's got some sweet sparkly stickers. And look at all these die cuts that she made me. Happiness, bright day ahead. You're some kind of wonderful. These are all Maggie Holmes. These are just gorgeous. Oh, and look at this. It's got flags. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, these are so great. I cannot wait to use those in my journal. And then let's see here. These are all like vellum sheets. Wow, so cool. So cool. They all have different sayings on him. Perfect little Miss, Sassy, Ladies Nights. These are going to be so great. I can actually cut these things out and put them into my journal. So thank you so much for sharing these with me. I love them. Oh, look, here's one that is just all words. Look at that. Oh, so much fun. My goodness, these are really cool. Thank you so much. And she gave me another journaling card and these stickers. Fabulous. The girls, fun. Love this. Oh, this is so cute. So cute. I just love it all. And let me look here. Oh, she made these dangles. Look at this. They're on garment pins, this one. And this one is a dangle that I can hang. Oh, these are so beautiful. Look at that, like a butterfly on there. And here's another one. It says Paris, and it's got all the pinks and the reds. And here's one with all the blues. Oh, I love that. And here is another one. These are just gorgeous. So gorgeous. I love everything. I just love it all. So thank you so much, Dees. And thank you so much, Laura. And thank you so much, Deidre. I love it all. I so appreciate you guys. I wish you all the best in the challenge. And again, you guys, please go and give them some crafty love. And I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.